First thing I have any patient do when they're trying to get off of birth control is to support the liver. This step is so important because all of our medications, our hormones, toxins that we come into contact with every day go through our liver and are broken down there. And on top of it, many of the nutrients that you need to help detox and break down some of these toxins that you come into contact with are depleted by the pill. I always make sure that we're replenishing those nutrients as well. The first thing I always recommend is making sure that you're avoiding chemicals and harmful ingredients and products that you come into contact and use every single day that could be harming your body and harming your liver. There's some great swaps to a lot of these products that you can make, and oftentimes they're about the same price and you don't have to spend $1 million to make some of these swaps. You also will want to make sure that you're avoiding things that may be causing your liver burdens, like eating a lot of processed sugars and drinking a lot of alcohol. I also recommend eating a diet that's high in foods that support a liver function. Here is a list of basic liver-loving foods. And what is liver support without making sure that your emunctory organs are working properly? If these aren't working, then the toxins and metabolites that your body's trying to get rid of are going to build up in your body and they're going to have nowhere to go. And I'm going to go over emunctory organs and what they are in a different video. I'm going to be talking more about how to support your liver for better hormones and better gut health in my masterclass Detox 101. You can sign up through the link in my bio.